Okay, so we have here your and another premium Bandai. Yep. Another premium and another invoice right here. And yeah, let's go. So much for this invoice. Let's go for the wow. For the kit. For the box of the kit. And we have here your this is your MS-06K Zaku Cannon from the Principality of Zeon prototype mobile suit. Wow! Man, it's new, but it's a classic unit and made from the latest kind of joints, maybe? Yeah, maybe. So this is from the Gundam The Origin. So you know that the Gundam The Origin designs, there are so many details on the surface of every kit. Yeah, so it has some water slide decals, some paints, and yeah, maybe it's stickers also. So yeah, let's go, let's see it. So this is the box of the, it's green because I think it's color green. So let's talk about the box first before I open a little bit of this kit. So it's a Zaku cannon. So it has a cannon on the side. It's like also the Zaku half cannon thing, which I think it's from a bootleg. It's already been bootleg, and maybe I've already ordered that also. Maybe because I really forgot what I've ordered right now. So yeah, it's a green Zaku cannon because you can see it's the monotone color of the premium Bandai. It's green, so maybe the kit inside is green also. So I cannot tell you so much about this because yeah, I saw the origin, but I don't know if it's yeah, the origin from the origin, but it's from the MSD, some Mobile Suit Discovery. So maybe it's not part of the anime of the Gundam The Origin, which I really like also because yeah, it tells you the story of Char from the beginning, which is its name is not really Char Aznable. It's really different. But yeah, let's go. Let's open a little bit of this